You ready? Okay, so we start with your electronic speed controller, your receiver, and your battery. They're the three main things we need to get the receiver to bind to the controller. What we do is we plug in and we also need the bind plug. But first we plug in the ESC into the second set of pins in the receiver, and that will be where we can leave it. And we can plug the battery in. The batteries will have two plugs. We need the small plug to go into the small red plug on the ESC. And if we plug those in correctly, we should get a solid light on the receiver. From there, we can then connect our motor through the three prongs at the end. They can go in any of those, so just plug all three in any order. All right. And last but not least, we have our servo that we can plug in. So we need to choose one of the sets of pins along the receiver that relates to the correct control on the controller. This might be trial and error at first, but I usually like to use, I think it's the third set from the far end, and that should give you control for the right hand for the motor and the left hand for the rudder. So if we slick those in, that should now be set up to run. The next job is to make sure you bind that to the controller, and there's another video that will be up that you can do that with.